Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel.
It's your local family with Rita and Krishna.
I hope everyone is having a good day.
Thank you in advance for watching, and we hope that you enjoy this video.
Please subscribe to our channel
And share with everyone. So today we're going to be making some kanji rice. Never made it. My wife is the expert, so she's going to be directing and producing this one. I'm just going to be helping out, right? So let's go ahead and break the coconut to grate it. Let's hope this one come out good and not come out dooksy. Alright, first one is good. Let's hope we get lucky with the second one. You're gonna use all three? Or one is just a backup, just in case? Okay. You're gonna use 2 coconuts. We got lucky, both is good. So we don't need to break the other one? Or break it too?
Yeah, break it, make it more rich.
Okay, a lot of coconut. I think this one is not good. Some dooksy. Yeah. We got lucky with the first two. Alright, so we got great coconut here now. Back home style. I'll see if I manage to grate this thing. And this thing I click up plenty. This coconut like it over dry or not. Anyway, for this one I think you need one big piece. What do you think?
So guys, yes, these are all the stuff that we're gonna be throwing in the kanji rice. Some celery, a lot of onions. I'm gonna dice that up. Of course, some rice. This is a fresh chana I soaked last night and wash it and strain it out. And here I got some black eye. It's all fresh ingredient. And of course, Jenna tell me to fry some plantain, so we also gonna be doing that. The chicken curry is still going, the rice finished, so I'm gonna go ahead, dice this up and show you guys. In the meantime, I get this buyer do something, hey.
I struggle here for great dry coconut. Probably going easier way to do this thing or what?
Yeah, they have you can put it in the blender.
Oh yeah?
And they have a different machine.
Why you try to make the life difficult when they get the machine?
I like to see when you work hard.
So the water is going here for the kanji rice. I'm gonna add this chana in and let it boil. Let it boil for a little bit, then I'm gonna add the black eye. I think the chana take longer to boil, so I'm gonna let this get a head start. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add the black eye in.
So guys, this is the first time we're making kanji rice. So let's see how it goes. I got the recipe from one of my uncles, so let's see what happens.
Alright, my chana is boiling. I'm gonna add in the black eye now.
We're gonna let it boil for a few minutes and then add in the rice, because these are more hard because we use the fresh one. Yep, so stay tuned.
So the chana and black eye has been boiling for 30 minutes. I'm gonna add the rice in now. Then I'm gonna put the coconut in. didn't wash it, we're just putting it, everything whole.
Plus, it's our first time making this, so I don't know if it's gonna taste good. This is something like shine rice, but it's not it.
Yeah, it's like cooked rice, shine rice, so almost the same.
So we're gonna let that boil for a few minutes, then we're gonna add in the MSG and the other stuff.
Hello everyone, it's me, your favorite niece Jenna, and today I'm going to be giving out some more shout outs. The shout outs go out to Yana Ravi Singh, Devi Prasad, AJ Joku, and Chandwati Ramdarine. And one of my favorite commenters, Tara Lala. Make sure to subscribe and like the video, share, and comment down below to be in our next shout out. Bye!
So guys, this is what it looks like. The rice has been boiling for about 10 to 15 minutes now. You know how this thing will come out. My wife will direct me. Hey, she's the producer and director.
It look amazing.
Alright, let's hope it eat good. Now time to add some onion in. I'm gonna add some onion in.
A lot of onions.
A lot of onion. The onion bring out the flavor. So let's see. How much onion we got here?
I think 4 or 5.
4? Okay, a lot of onion. You gonna make the onion cry, or the onion is gonna make us cry? So my wife has been craving this for a while, so I'm gonna try to make it for her. I don't know if there's a little Krishna on board. Anyway, Jenna wants to know how you know, how the world get populated. So I tell her that God made Adam and Eve, and then they have children, and you know, they continue from there. So the next day she went and asked her mom the same thing. You know, how did people come on earth? Her mom says they evolved through monkeys. So now Jenna is confused. The next day she come and tell me, I'm telling something different, and your mom is telling something different. So I said it's simple. I'm telling my side of the story. She's telling her side of the story, how people evolve.
So guys, we go ahead and add in some MSG and the scallions or the shallot. Look, amazing, amazing. Can't wait to try this. So we're gonna give it like a few more minutes, and then we're gonna do the tasting. Look, it came out so much. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all of this. You live in nearby, stop by for some, guys. Yep.
So yes guys, now the kanji rice is done. My wife's favorite, that's for her. We made some chicken curry for Ethan, that's her favorite. Now we're making some of Jenna's favorite. Fried plantain, or ripe plantain, yellow plantain. This is the one she likes.
Now what's your favorite?
I'm gonna have to make the green plantain for me. So our father went to a store, you know, he likes to check out new gadgets. So he went there, he saw that they got a new robot. So this robot, if you tell a lie, he gives you 1 slap. So he bring this robot home at dinner time. His wife and his son was there. So he asked his son, where did you went today? His son said, I went to school. So the robot gave him 1 slap. Father said, see, you can't tell lie. Tell me where you went. He said, oh, I went to the cinema. So his father asked him, what did you watch? He said, I watched Transformer. The robot gave him 1 slap again. Then his son said, okay, sorry, I was watching porn. So father said, oh my God, I don't know where kids get this stuff from. When I was growing up, there was no porn. The robot gave the father 1 slap. So the wife is laughing now. He said, oh my God, like father, like son. So the robot give the wife 1 slap. Get it? It's not the father of the son. Oh man, this oil is too hot. This plantain is coming along pretty fast. Let me check the stove.
Take out the ones that's finished.
I got the big strainer. You get a smaller one. So let me fill up one cup here and try this thing.
You're taking like Multani or what, boy?
And then like this, you say, I eat them, you never eat this thing. Now I'm gonna try them out and see.
Dude, that's not true. You eat it before.
Let's see what all the rave is about. Look good, let's see if it tastes good. This thing's still hot. It's good. Carry a lot of flavor from it. Man, thought this thing not gonna eat good. Now you give me 2 small cup, I gotta go on plate or on bowl. Gotta eat a whole bowl. Good, good, excellent, excellent. You direct the show good.
That's a lot. I don't know if you're gonna do it all of that.
You gotta open bandara now. See how this.
So we got some nice chicken curry here bubbling up. Fresh from the farm. And here we got some rice. No recipe for this.
So I made everybody favorite. Now I'm down to my favorite. I'm gonna make some green plantain chips here. Look at my plantain slicing skills here. If I need to hire me for slice plantain, let me know. They're available for hire. So plantain is done. This is the last set. But this is my favorite. Goes good with beer. So I got my beer over here. Cheers, cheers. So I got my dinner ready. I got rooster curry and roti. My wife is having
Dhal Puri, Dhal Puri.
Dhal Puri. My wife is having her kanji rice and a lot of pepper.
From the garden.
So before I close out, let me give one last joke. So 3 drunk guys get into a taxi to get home from the bar. You know, they went to the bar, they drink, they got drunk, they get into a taxi. As soon as they get into the taxi driver started the taxi and turned it out back. The first guy paid him his money. The second guy said thank you. So the second guy thanked the driver. The third guy put 1 slap on his face. So the driver was shocked. He said, oh man, looked like this third guy realized what happened. So anyway, you find out from him. He said, what was that slap for? He said, control your speed. You almost killed us. Let me try out this thing here, see how you want. You get Dhal Puri here. Fresh Dhal Puri from Queens. Oh man, this thing's so hot. Smoke come up in them. Have you tried the rooster? See this rooster boil them. So rooster normally it'd be hard. Now for the rooster. Thing boil good like a pressure or what?
No.
Alright, good job, good job. Everything tastes good. I got pepper too. You take a bite, let me see. Hope this pepper nagi after effect. Burn one time, when you go wrong and burn when you come out. Excellent, excellent. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.